right, so here's the plan. We're actually just gonna go to the junkyard, skip the scrap run because it's a waste of time. We'll probably only get like $5 for it.
Yep.
But we're here with Willy Wonka.
And Willy Wonka's got a big surprise for you guys today.
Yep, we got a big surprise, so yeah. All right, so we're here at the yard now. I'm just gonna do a quick pass through, see if anything new showed up. This is probably my new favorite yard. I would consider this a medium traffic yard. And I'll be teaching you guys a little bit about the differences between high traffic, low traffic, medium traffic, and private collections. So this Accord here actually looks like it might have some stuff on it. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I'm here for some Del Sol parts. I'm gonna grab another set of pedals. We're gonna see if we can grab them for $20, but I'll catch you guys when we find something cool. So this video was originally intended for my school audience, and in my school community, what you will be able to find is a group of 20 plus members so far that are telling each other, you know, how to sell parts, how to flip cars, what parts are going for a lot, how to sell parts on eBay, how to expand your audience, blah, 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 blah. Everything you want to know to make money in the car game is what is being taught in that school. If you guys want to join it, the link will be down in the description. Anyways, I'll let you enjoy the video. This one was too good to not post on YouTube. I will see you guys in a second. Okay, this is the Del Sol I'm talking about. Yeah, there's a couple things I think I want to grab off of it. This thing would be worth pulling the whole swap. The door cards are in decent shape. Maybe I'll grab that climate control too. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna start pulling some parts off of this thing. All right, so for the German people in the group, if you know, let me know. You can put me on some game, I'll put you on some game with the Honda parts. You put me on with the German stuff. Audi there, older Benz here. There's a couple German parts here.
There's a 335i. That's the first one to that.
Yeah, but yeah, if you guys know the prices on these things and you think you can make a buck on them, I'll grab them for you. If I can get them for a deal, I'll sell them to you for a deal. What is this? This is a, yeah, here's a Beamer. If you know the price, if the parts are worth something, let me know. But we're gonna go see how much we can get these Del Sol parts for. Another one for the Beamer boys. If there's money to be made, say something. All right, so this is what we left with, was a climate control, 2 speaker brackets, 2 front speaker covers, and the rear speaker covers, and then the 3rd brake light. He busted my balls. He busted my balls. I wanted to pay $20 for this thing. Boss man was not feeling the negotiation tactics, which is fine. Some days you pay more than others, but final price, $60. Mainly because of the climate control. So you got to be careful. If you guys want to grab stuff like this, this is the type of stuff that they're going to charge you big money for. Lights and controls. If you know this trim is worth money, grab it, because the junkyard people don't give a damn about the trim. They don't give a damn about no speaker brackets. But if you pull a climate control, they're going to bust your balls. So $60. Let's see what kind of profit we can make off of that. All right, so this is the haul. We paid $60 for everything. So I will throw some stuff up on the screen. Last one of these sold for 50. So 50, 50, 100, 180, 260, 360, $300 profit. All right, Mr. Sean, aka Willy Wonka, if you guys remember at the beginning of today's video, which you will be seeing on YouTube, this was going to be a school exclusive video, but I decided I'm going to post it on YouTube because we're actually about to be doing something that's pretty sick that applies to the school, but it's also cool and worth putting up for the followers on YouTube. You guys are going to like what's going on here. We're doing a trade. You guys are going to see what we're trading for what here in a second, but I think it's going to blow some of your minds, especially the story behind. You guys will see. We'll see you in a second.
Stay tuned. All right, everybody. This is the car I'm gonna be trading in for the 325i BMW.
All right, so we got a 300,000 mile Nissan Sentra Special Edition, automatic, loud as ever. This thing's got 300K. Tell them the story. How did you get this car, Sean?
So how I got this car, my grandpa owns a shop and it was just sitting there. And I asked him if I could get it and what was wrong with it. And he said this old grandma, it was one lady owned, so I'm the second owner on it. She hit a curb on the driver's side, which I'll show you, and broke the control arm. So my grandpa, he bought the control arm for like $100. I installed it and I got a free car out of it.
Yeah, so all it was is obviously you can see there's some residual damage from the incident, but he fixed the car and he got it for free. He's been detailing it for a couple months now. We're about to go and trade it for something, and you guys will see what that is. I think it's a Volkswagen, possibly. It might be a Mercedes, but we'll see. Who knows? We'll see when you get there. We'll be there in soon, so see you in soon. All right, this is what Sean is trading for. I would say this is a pretty damn good trade. Let's get this thing loaded up on the trailer.
Yep.
All right, so we're kind of on a time schedule here because I'm about to pick up a car for my brother too, which you guys will see. This is going to be one of those videos where I'm just picking up cars and going to a junkyard and whatnot. So let's get this Beamer unloaded and hopefully it doesn't bottom out again. I wish I got a clip, but when we loaded it up, it just bottomed out because this thing is just slammed. But
you can see
Sean literally got this car for free.
Yeah.
Like actually, like this car is for free, 100% best deal you could ever ask for. Literally runs and drives and drifts. We'll show you guys some clips. Let's get it unloaded. This is what I'm getting my little brother. I'll show the Civic more when I get home. We had to run to the shop to sell something that is sold. This guy's looking at me. What's up, bro? Anyways, Lexus SC400, BMW 316i. This thing is a slow POS, but it's actually the Mr. Beast car. This is the Mr. Beast car, guys.
That we picked up for free.
Mr. Beast gave it to us for free.
Because you know how Mr. Beast runs things.
Yeah, but it's been an insanely long day. We're going to try and fix this Beamer, and maybe we're going to end this video getting sideways. So, let's see what's wrong with this thing. I don't know Beamers. He does, maybe, I don't know. We know cars. Let's see what's wrong with this one. All right, so the only thing that is wrong with this thing is it's leaking coolant, apparently. Let's see where it's leaking from. All right, so BMW owners, 1000 IQ. A thermostat leaking? Yes. Definitely the thermostat. Or it's this hose that I can literally take off without even removing the clamp. Or it's the thermostat. I don't know. BMW owners, they might be really smart, but I don't know, man. What do you think, Sean?
I think this is going to be a hard job because BMW owners are really smart.
I want all the smoke from the BMW owners in the comment section. I am like 80% German, and I don't even work on these things.
And I'm 80% German because my girlfriend and her whole family, that's what they rep.
Yeah, this guy is definitely German.
I'm 100% freaking JDM, Subi gang.
All right, so it needs a new hose. Other than that, it's completely fine. We're gonna get it a hose. So we have a perfect, reliable
Subi gang.
Well, actually, guys, we'd have two unreliable cars here. Nah, but seriously though, even though that's a Subaru, that drove us here. But Sean thinks it's a good idea to drive this home. We don't know anything about BMWs.
We'll find out as we go.
And
on
it's
a
leaking
30-minute
coolant.
drive.
But all right, we'll see what happens. This could be interesting. All right, so we made it about 15 minutes and now it is overheating. We are stranded in the BMW. What did I say?
Day of the life of a BMW.
Day in the life of a BMW owner. Not me. You'll never catch me owning one of these.
Oh, he wants one.
Nah, I got a Lexus. This thing was fun though. We slid it. We're gonna slide it again once it cools down, but definitely not worth making the 30-minute drive in back to the home city. So we'll be going back to the shop after it cools down.
The plan is I'll get a coolant hose. We'll replace that, and I think it should be mint.
Yep.
Because before that, it was running really good. Here, let's lock them down real quick. The coolant reservoir thingy, whatever, freaking exploded on him. And then he pulled off to the side, put a new one on, and the hose I think is messed up. So we're gonna replace that. I don't know how to turn on the lights, so we just can't see the split.
All right, so we coasted back to the shop after overheating every 3 seconds, but we're not gonna end the night without showing you guys a little something. All right, so we're about to flat tow the Beamer back to the shop and then pick up a drive shaft, but we did get a citation, so this thing has to get out of here ASAP. Let's get it loaded up. Let's get this thing to the shop.
You wanna show him the...
Oh, I showed him the drive shaft.
Okay.